Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making something, and yeah, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, Creative Cailyn. So can I get a drum roll, please? This is what we're gonna be making today. I think we need water and scissors. So now I'm just gonna open it. I'm so excited. But today we'll be making like crystals, like golden crystals with rock, a cup, a stick, and this thingy. So let's open it. So what's in here that I got out is a rock, a cup, and some yellow sugar, I think. I don't know. And a stick. And the instructions are right here. So now I'm going to start making my stuff. Instructions. Ryan, can you read the instructions?
Warning, this set contains chemicals that may be harmful to or if misused. Read cautions on individual containers carefully. And not to be used by children except under adult supervision. So kids, be careful. Ask an adult to help you. This is going to be called Mygro growing crystals. The project is grow a citrine crystal. Ooh. Cover your work with newspapers or large sheets of
down below
paper.
if you read that all fastly. I'm happy for you guys if you read that all fastly.
Quickly.
Yeah.
Fastly. Cover your work area with newspapers or large sheets of paper, and wear clothes or a smock. Make sure your working area is easy to clean surface. You will need a measuring cup. Measuring cup.
I do. Look.
Go get the measuring cup. Cool.
Got a magic
A wooden stick. And the help of an adult lab partner. Have your adult lab partner fill the measuring cup with 1/8 of a cup of water.
Right there.
1/8 of a cup of water? Really? How little is that? Do you know how little that is? That's nothing. Will you please get the glass measuring cup, Julia?
What glass? We won't be needing this.
Put it back in the kitchen.
That one, no. But this one over there.
Mommy, what glass?
So I'm just going to show you guys golden Triton crystal grounding sumo. This is what we'll be needing to make it golden. Like
So half of a half. Okay, so 1/4 is there. Then 1/2 is about that's too much. That's about right. Okay.
if you guys have this, follow the steps that we are doing. Okay, now put it in here.
The water needs to be hot enough to completely dissolve the crystal compound. Oh Lord.
Will I put it in the microwave?
Run. We should have read the directions first. Please throw this away. Fill up the water. Run the hot water first.
So guys, we're sorry we did a mistake, but we can
Run the
fix
hot water
it.
for a little bit.
Learn from this.
Which one is hot?
Are you
Look at this
freaking kidding me?
plastic.
She said which one is hot. Stop before you break it.
It's also in gold.
My mom's talking too much.
Yeah, it's also in gold. Nothing's showing hot.
Showing. You don't have to show it.
So, the water needs to be hot enough to completely dissolve the crystal compound. Open your bag of crystal compound and pour 3/4 of it into your measuring cup. Mix it until it's completely dissolved.
With this stick?
Yes.
This thing don't. Wait. Okay, guys. Okay. 3.
No. Okay,
There.
so first that goes in there. In here. Most of it, not all of it.
Okay.
Careful, don't touch it with your fingers.
Right.
Okay, that's good.
Now mix it.
Mix it.
Looks like egg. No, do it on the napkin.
I'm kidding, guys. This is not pee. Is there any way that we can speed this up?
Have me in a butt.
What's today's dinner?
Maybe a little bit more.
Shells.
Watch your fingers.
Is it a movie day today?
We are making a movie, so I guess you could call it a movie day.
That's not a movie.
This is not a movie.
Is it completely dissolved?
What does that mean?
That it's not powder anymore, it's just liquid?
It's just liquid.
Let me see. No, it's not. Do you not see the powder?
It's
There's
dye.
no powder
It's yellow dye. See? Because it's still on the stick. Oh, come on.
Darn it!
My mom is not going to have it. Now we'll be continuing with something
Alright, so look, we have to do this in a way that we already know what to do. So that way we don't get...
Okay guys, so we're back. I'm sorry it took a long time. It just needed to be like pea water, but it's not actually pea. So now I have to pour this rock into this cup. See? This crystal.
Put the crystal on top of the paper.
Right. Yeah guys, so.
In the middle.
In the middle, guys. You do.
Okay, now you're going to take the crystal tray, this white tray, slowly pour the crystal mixture into the tray over the base rock. Over the base rock, slowly.
I'm pouring pea on the rock.
Don't say that. Now using the mixing sticks, stir well. Stir it very well.
And guys, this will have to stay to 3 to 7 days to grow. Doesn't kill you, just stop staring at me, mix a bowl. Is this? Can I stop?
And look closer to the foot. Perfect. Okay. Probably too much water. Or just a little bit. Perfect. Now we sprinkle this over it. Carefully.
All of it?
Yes, carefully, slowly over it. Evenly. Just like this. All over, yes, all over, yes, everything, all over everything. Yes, exactly, round and round, yes, round, good job. Alright.
Now mix it.
Nope. Now we must wait, my darling, we must wait how long?
3 to 7 days!
What? Why?
Because I'm sad.
Don't be sad. You're beautiful. So we did the project, and at the end of it, it says your crystals should start growing in 3 to 7 days.
Well,
Days!
that means you have a follow-up.
Yeah. I'll make sure to keep a record of your things going.
And how many hours
Helpful
is that?
tip is to cover your tray with a paper towel. This will help your crystal mixture evaporate and turn into a crystallized form. Nope. Put that in there. Fold this up nice and neatly. And then we cover it up.
So guys, that's it for my video. I'm doing another video after this. Okay guys, that was it for the video. We'll come back next time. I'll post some pictures of how it's going and how it's doing. And I hope you subscribe, like, and put in the comment section what other videos you want me to see and you want me to see too, and to do, and you'll see me on my next video making a kiwi crate box, like a little home for it, okay, something. But I hope you guys have a great day and subscribe and like to my channel.
Never stop dreaming.
Cailyn, creative Cailyn. Never stop dreaming, like it says, and art is what you need. Bye guys, like and subscribe.
Not that silly.